We have a 1971 Chevy Monte Carlo, and I'm going to tell you what, this is one of the nicest cars in our inventory. Go look at our website. We've got $130,000 Chevelles and Camaros and all sorts of beautiful cars. I'm telling you, this one here is one of the best. The condition, the quality is outstanding. It's been body off frame restored, and again, just a sweetheart. The way it looks, feels, and functions. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at all the pictures, read all the information. That's where you'll find a price tag on every one of our cars, along with the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next video is posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. And what I'm holding here in my hand are a few before pictures of the car. It's all intact. The seat's a little tattered, but the body is absolutely solid. I don't see any rust at all. And then there's pictures of the body off the frame, the completely detailed chassis, all apart and rebuilt. But anyway, I'm excited to get started because this is a really nice car. I'm going to be proud to show it to you. So yeah, body off the frame. The underbody is pristine metal. The floors, the factory braces, the seams, the rockers, clean, dry metal. I mean, it's as smooth as a chalkboard under there. It was all prepped and painted like a semi-gloss black. The steering and suspensions completely rebuilt. All the front end components, ball joints, bushings, you name it. In back, they did upgrade it with some QA1 adjustable gas shocks, and it has a sway bar. So when they restored the car, they also put in a new fuel system, including the tank. The brake system's all redone. The e-brakes hooked up, has disc brakes in the front. They did add a nice custom exhaust, which you'll hear it towards the end of the video, but it's a pipes stainless exhaust with the X-pipe, stainless mufflers, really nice exhaust system. You look up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange. The starter, the fuel pump, all the components look real nice. It does have the flywheel cover. Turbo 350 automatic transmissions, all nice and clean. It's the original 10-bolt rear end, dated to this car. A nice cruising gear. So underneath this car is super nice. The body is amazing. It's one of those cars. It's a sweetheart. Door shuts like a new car. I rolled the windows up on the other side. We'll see that in a minute. They rolled smooth, and the door shut like new, even with the windows up. So anyway, the gap, spot on, absolutely straight. I mean, even if you're fussy, you're going to look at this and you're going to say, Jay, you're right. This thing is straight. The gaps are right on. The body lines are spot on. No rust, no damage, no bubbles, no funny areas, no body work showing. Square, flush, absolutely pristine. Laser beam straight. No dents, door dents, dings, waves, nothing at all. See, I rolled the windows up. And I had a feeling they'd roll up smooth. This front window, you can roll up with your pinky. And watch how nice it shuts. All that lines up beautifully. So back to the body. It is absolutely clean, straight. The hood sits flush, long hood, and it's perfectly square all the way down. So all lines up spot on. I mean, these gaps are precise. The body is an A++. Amazing body. The paint, I think it's called Placer Gold, if I'm pronouncing it right. It has real tiny metal flake in it. It's all laid out evenly. It's not cloudy. It's not blotchy. It's not mismatched. It's all one color. And the clear coat is polished like glass. Glass finish all around. I have not found a flaw. I've not found a touch-up. I've not found a rock chip. A little red spot. I don't know if that polishes off. A little spot of red. I'm sure there are flaws, but you would have to look really close, because I am looking really close right now, and I don't see anything to tell you about. Not a crack, not a touch-up, nothing. So this chrome is beautiful. I mean, it's got to be a 9 out of a 10. Tail lights, the lenses, all that's really nice. The rear window is really nice and clear. The stainless moldings are all polished. This molding's real nice. The black paint is not flaking off of it. The vinyl top, nice and soft. It's like new. All this stainless is polished. The handle looks new. The remote mirror looks original. There's some freckles on it. Not pitting, but just little freckles. The windshield is crystal clear. And again, all the stainless and trim, all excellent. 15-inch rally wheels. The trim is all shiny. The tires are in excellent shape. The whole front end of the car sparkles. The grille is sparkling. The bumper, the headlight bezels, little emblem looks like brand new. So far, this thing's a 10 on the outside. It's outstanding. And it's just as good inside, so why don't we take a look? You are about to be amazed. So the underside of the trunk lid, the latch, the sticker, this looks like brand new, smooth and glossy. Same thing with the jamb. You got the factory dimple spot welds still showing, painted immaculately. The rubber is soft. Now look inside the trunk compartment. It's all rust-free, clean metal. I felt up in the quarter panels. There's no cuts or splices that I found. I believe they're the originals. You got the mat. This is a wide oval reproduction Super Sport tire. The nubs are still on the tread, never been used, on a painted rim. And the whole jack assembly is underneath there, and it's all been painted and detailed. So it's 100% mint, and it's complete. Exactly the way it would have, if you would have been buying it in 1971. That's what it would have looked like. Door jambs are immaculate, painted real nice. The weather strips have been replaced, and they fit right. Sill plates are clean. Door panels in mint condition, the armrest, the window crank, all looks great. The whole dash area, all the dash pad, the instruments. Now the Monte Carlos come with the wood grain. The Chevelle did not, but this is wood grain. The heater control panel, the vents, all this is real nice. Original radio, nothing is cut up or broken. The correct knobs. Working glove box light, you got the owner's manual. Nice clean vents, kick panels, carpet was replaced. Now this is a nice feature. It just sits here. Nice little armrest, place to put your cup of coffee. The seat cushions are in excellent shape. I notice a real faint staining, very faint. I'm sure that will clean up. The seats feel like new, and the fabric looks like new. And then the back seat. Same thing. It looks like it's never been sat in. The side panels, the rear shelf, headliner's in excellent shape. Dome light works. Visors are mint. They match the headliner. Has all the seat belts, including the shoulder belts. So was I lying to you? This car is immaculate. Such a nice car. I told you we got some pretty awesome vehicles here, and we were all talking about this one the day we got it. We were all just so impressed with it. That is the original numbers matching 350 motor. Runs as smooth as a Rolex. Completely stock. Nice Chevy orange, stock manifolds, valve covers, air cleaner. But check this out, the heat riser tube. You take the air cleaner off, that falls off, that gets left off. It's there. There's heat shields down around the spark plugs, the right fuel pump. Even these ribbed hoses, the heater hoses, that's correct. This heater control valve. Factory air conditioning system. Monte Carlos have these big, long shrouds. It's in perfect shape. It's not broken or cracked. Look how clean the brackets are. Reproduction GM hose and clamps. The pollution can and the washer bottle are all hooked up. I looked at our service records. We put on a new compressor, charged the air. It's the only thing we had to do to this car. It's got power steering, power brakes, wiper motor, the rubber, the cowl vents, the hood insulation. Everything is there. Everything's the way it should be. Very clean. It runs and feels so smooth, but that pipe's exhaust gives it a nice little muscle car tone. Oh yeah, no creaks, no rattles or squeaks, no. So smooth, no shimmies. Well, like I said, this one's impressive. Body off frame restored. And you can have a body off frame restoration. Doesn't mean it's always going to turn out like this. This one's just a sweetheart. Like I said, watch this window. It just rolls up and down effortlessly. Door shuts like a new car. Runs so nice, so comfortable. It would cost you $100 grand to build this car in today's times. I'm amazed at the fit. Anyway, I can go on and on about this car. Go to volocars.com. The salesman will help answer your questions. They'll help you finance it. They'll help get it delivered to your door at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.